Hey, I wanted to give you another success story. I am the success story. That's the house down there, not me. But ClevelandIncomeRealEstate.com will give you a quick synopsis of this particular scenario. This one's done. And I always like to share the numbers with you so you know. The cost is everything when you're buying investment real estate. I like the cost and location, location, location also. And so we're going to go through all that in this video. First of all, we're a turnkey solution. We purchase, rehab, lease, and my wife's a broker. She has her own property management, so we have everything's under one roof. That way, we can control costs, we can control the direction of everything, and also during the construction, you're going to get before and after pictures, and you're going to get a weekly video to update you on what's going on with your property. We like to stay in contact. We have a lot of international and out-of-state people, so we always want to make sure they're taken care of. And here's the house that we're going to be talking about. This one was purchased for $90,000. This is in West Park. It's a $25,000 rehab. Giving you the real numbers, $115,000 total. And that was, you can see the floors are all done, paint. We went through everything, plumbing, a lot of stuff. There was a new water heater on this one too. Or, no, excuse me, a new heater. So we had also put a new heater in this one because that one was a little old. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. It's about 1,100 square foot. Here's the numbers. The numbers are this: $1,300 a month, $140 a month in tax, $50 insurance, $125 property management. We cap our property management. If it's over $1,250, it's just $125 a month. And your net's $985 a month, and your approximate yearly return is $11,820. You say, well, you didn't figure maintenance, but there's not a lot of maintenance in the first year. There just isn't. So most of the time, these are very low maintenance homes, and of course there will be some issues some point in time, but we try and wipe all that out. So this is just I can't foresee the future, but I can tell you that 99% of our properties that have little or no issues that cost a ton of money, we look out for you. We take care of all that up front. We try to. So this is the yearly number on this, and this house on the market is worth right around 135, 140 is what it's worth. So you do have some stuff. So you probably think, man, this got to cost a lot. What do we make? We make money on the buying commission, first month's rent, and property management. That's what we make. That's it. We make a little money on the construction. Sometimes if something pops up, then we go ahead and take care of it through that because we like to keep everything in budget. So most stuff we make very little on construction, but we do make money on commissions, first month's rent, and rehab. And we sell the properties and lease them. So you need a real estate strategy. You need to do it with a turnkey company that does all of it in one roof. Because if you get a realtor who hires a contractor outside that they don't have to do a lot of business with, that also have you have one house in a property management with 1,000 doors. We have about 150. They just don't take care of you like we do. We think we are the best there is. So give me a call, 216-703-5740, or you can WhatsApp me if you're out of the country or out of state. I like WhatsApp. 216-703-5740. Thanks. Have a great day.